Canada's $80 billion fighter jet decision is under fire. Was choosing the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II a masterstroke? Or a mistake that could reshape the nation's future? Because rising from the shadows is a challenger nobody expected to return. The Saab F-39 Gripen, and what it offers, might change everything. Canada committed to one of the most expensive defense programs in its history. A fleet of advanced stealth fighters, designed to dominate the skies. The goal? Replace aging CF-18 Hornet aircraft, strengthen NATO integration, and future-proof national defense. But critics say, the real cost isn't just money, it's control, it's dependency, and it's risk. Canada doesn't fight typical wars. It defends the Arctic, extreme cold, remote bases, massive distances. In these conditions, not every jet performs the same. The question becomes critical: can stealth survive the cold? Or does reliability win? The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is not just a fighter jet. It's a flying supercomputer. Stealth technology allows it to avoid detection, advanced sensors see everything, and data sharing turns it into a node in a global war network. This is the future of warfare. But there's a catch. Critics point to one major issue: dependence. The F-35 relies heavily on global logistics and software systems, updates, maintenance, and even mission data are tightly controlled. This raises a serious question: how much control does Canada actually have? And in a crisis, could that dependency become a weakness? This is where the Saab F-39 Gripen changes the equation. Built for flexibility, designed for harsh environments, capable of operating from highways, with minimal crew, lower cost, greater independence, and full national control over systems. It doesn't try to be the most advanced jet. It tries to be the smartest choice. So how do they compare? Stealth: F-35 dominates. Cost: Gripen wins. Maintenance: Gripen is simpler. Technology: F-35 leads. Independence: Gripen stands out. This isn't just about aircraft. It's about strategy. Canada's decision doesn't exist in isolation. It affects NATO relations with the United States and global defense alignment. Choosing the F-35 strengthens alliances. Choosing Gripen signals independence. Either way, the world is watching. So here's the real question: did Canada choose the future or buy into a system it can't fully control? Is the F-35 a game-changer or an $80 billion gamble? And is the Gripen the twist nobody expected? What do you think? F-35 or Gripen? Who wins? Comment below. Subscribe for more deep defense breakdowns.